So I can see there is no back to my camera, so then you can see that. Hi friends, good morning my dear friends and family, my YouTube family. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna exactly tell you what is the right place, and I'm trying to show you everything where I am right now. Because today first morning I have reached here from one of company, Vion, and have a look how is beauty in the morning. So it is the right. This is exactly time 10:30. So weather is little foggy. Maybe within 1 hour and half an hour later it will be surprisingly sunny. But now the weather is. So I didn't upload till now this kinds of video on my YouTube channel. So this is the first time I'm going to upload this kinds of video because I want to just share with you how the scenery is look beauty, and just I'm going to the sea beach. So it's just around the corner. So a few minutes later you will see the sea beach, the scenery of sea beach in the morning. This is the forest area you can see over here, and have a look. There is multiple building and multinational hotels are there. You can see over there in my background. Okay, and then I'm coming to this place, but yes, I love to roaming around because I got so many trips over there, so I can explore myself in various different places. As I said before, my previous videos and so many of conversation videos, I have also told you that actually I love to visit in different kinds of places. So even I didn't upload this type of videos in blogging videos. So this is my first blogging videos. So I didn't get any encouragement from my side, but today my inner energy telling me that yes, I have to show some of things and what is the my activity, and since morning what I'll do actually. Really in this fast morning you can have a look the scenery of our local area. So it's kinds of these places is really superb, and it's wonderful, and weather is charming, and there is so many forest area. So you can see over here. So it's not so crowded now. This area is secluded, but afternoon it will be back to the rafters because there are so many people, they don't want to come now see the beauty of sea, So there is a great ocean. Just wait for a while, I will show you how is beauty the ocean, and there is sea beach and really super amusing things over here. So you can see that this is the secluded area. No one is here right now because all are busy, and maybe last night they didn't take any enough sleep. That's the reason they are taking rest in the hotel. But yes, I already woke up early in the morning because I have reached here 6:30. So I took a single nap, and after that I'm creating this video because actually I never waste my time because I just want to show you. I am walking on this road, but no one is here. Till now I didn't see anyone. But yes, in front of me some crowd is there. So I must say you something, and I will show you each and every part of this beautiful areas, So keep watching my videos, and daily basis you can improve your English, So first of all, I would like to say you something that if you want to improve your communication skills, so then definitely no need to think about your hesitation, no need to think about how much vocabulary you have. Just you need to explore each and every moment, and if you will get any chance to make any videos just in front of the camera, you have to make some videos, So then you can get the encouragement only. Otherwise it will be quite impossible for each and everyone to make videos. This is the one barrier I am crossing now, and just within 1 minute I will reach to the beauty of ocean, and I will show to you how is beauty over there. I'm bit of fatigue in this time because as you know that last night I have driven my buses 8 hours or more than 8 hours, so that's the reason I'm a little bit fatigued in this morning. I took a scarf down breakfast, and after that I'm ready to make this video. All my friends and family, I hope that you are doing absolutely great. I'm amazing. Today I'm in the new place because I got a trip from one company. So they provide me a luxury hotel, luxury foods, and yes, I have my scrumptious food over there. As I said, so many of my conversation video that I have got opportunity to see this new place, and I can able to explore myself in new places. So this is not a secluded area, but now I can see over here, this is the morning time, 10:30. So I can see there is no crowd, but if I will back to my camera, so then you can see the, yeah, this is how they enjoying their moment in the morning. And afternoon definitely I get ready to drop in the ocean. So keep watching my videos. So I never make this kinds of video before because my channel is only conversation video. So I was thinking that this is the moment and this is the great opportunity for me to show something to you guys, right? So don't miss this opportunity. So I'm really super excited to be here in this area. Mate and Paul, you can say that they are also driver. So yeah, so if anyone in this profession, they can already getting this facility. And yes, I have already told to you that I am facing difficulties my work, but sometimes I'm getting the rewarding as well. So this is the rewarding, and this is the main time I'm spending some time with this quality actually. So maybe you will get some YouTuber over here, they are also making the video, but I'm the exceptional. So there are a lot of people, they are enjoying the fast morning. This is the morning time. The weather is little bit foggy, I could say, but surprisingly it will be very sunny. I guess afternoon it will be get sunny, but otherwise since morning the weather is really foggy. But yes, I am not feeling any cold. So now there is a lot of people enjoying the moment and in this morning, right? So yes, let's see how it's turned out to be today.